What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're like me, keeping your grooming game tight shouldn't take up half your day, especially when you're balancing a packed schedule. You need tools that are fast, reliable, and actually look sharp on your vanity. Today, we are unboxing and checking out the brand new Bombay Shaving Company Powerplay NXT beard trimmer. This thing promises weeks of performance on a single charge in a premium feel without breaking the bank. Let's see what's inside the box and if it actually delivers. Alright. Lifting the lid on this vibrant teal packaging here is everything you get. First off, the trimmer itself. Right out of the plastic wrapper, the first thing that hits you is the look. It's got this muted olive green matte finish paired with sharp black accents. It doesn't feel like cheap, hollow plastic. It has a solider, ergonomic weight to it that sits perfectly in the hand. Aside from the main unit, you've got your standard length adjusting combs, the cleaning brush to keep the blades fresh, and your charging cable. Simple, minimalist, no unnecessary clutter. Let's talk specs because that's what actually matters when you're rushing to get ready. The battery. The box claims 60 minutes of cordless runtime on a full charge, which they say gives you up to 5 weeks of trims. If you're just doing quick touch-ups or keeping a clean stubble, look a few times a week. You literally only have to charge this once a month. The blades. We've got stainless steel blades here. They feel incredibly sharp to the touch, which means clean cuts without that annoying pulling or tugging on your skin. The design. Look at the contour right here. The curved back makes it easy to navigate around the jawline and neck, which is crucial if you're trying to optimize your facial aesthetics and keep those clean, sharp lines. So, what's the early verdict? If you are looking for a hyper-complicated grooming station with 20 different attachments you'll never use, this isn't it. But if you want a clean, minimalist tool that looks luxurious on your counter, holds a massive charge, and cuts sharp, the Powerplay NXT is hitting all the right notes. It's built for efficiency. You get in, clean up your look, and get straight back to your day. Unboxing, and first look at the Bombay Shaving Company Powerplay NXT. If you want to see a full 1-month follow-up performance review on how the blades hold up, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this gave you a clean look at the product. And subscribe to the channel for more fitness, lifestyle, and product breakdowns. Keep grinding, stay sharp, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. That wraps up our quick